Hey everybody, this is Leon, and today I'm going to show you the animation feature of XR fragment URLs, which basically allow for hyper-shareable 3D movies at a certain time with the audience at a certain position. This is really cool stuff. Let me show you. So in the demo scene on the XR fragment website, xrfragment.org, you can see a timeline here. In the bottom, you can see that it's moving, which means the animation is playing by default. And here you can see a bunch of links, which basically control the animation using the URL. So this also means you can share this. You can share the URL, and then you basically have this animation information embedded. So right now it's playing. If you look at the URL, it's playing 1,1,4000, and here's the syntax. It basically means speed, starting frame, and stop frame. Basically a loop. If I click this button again, it's basically the same URL, then it should restart. Check this out. Boom, voila. You can see that the timeline jumped back to the beginning, and this is a very simple way for the user to start from the beginning. So in VR or on a laptop, you can just press this button and you're back to the start. Another cool thing is that this -1, setting the speed to -1, sort of reverses the direction. Check this out. You see the cube above timeline just reversed its direction, and we can make it go forward by pressing this one, and here it's going forward. So this is really cool stuff. We can also pause it, obviously. Perhaps the visitor wants to stop time for a certain moment to observe things in a better way. In a way, it's a matrix effect to sort of, it gives you matrix power over the timeline. You can also slow things down. So this one, the 0.2, which also sets a frame loop between frame 1000 and 1100. This one basically gives you that matrix power. It sort of gives you a super slow-mo without any degradation. As you can see, the cube there is animating like very, very smoothly. And this is, I think, a game changer if you compare this to normal videos. There's usually stuttering at some point, while in this situation, by setting the speed to, I don't know, 0.001, you will still enjoy super smooth animation. And this is very, very cool. Imagine if you want to observe a physical effect with a higher time resolution, or you want to reverse an explosion or some physical event in 3D. This is very cool stuff, especially for simulations. Very, very cool. We can also speed up, of course. I'm now pressing T is 2, and we basically get the same loop, but twice the speed. Here in the timeline, you can also see that the timeline is looping. This is very, very powerful stuff. Also, just to make it very sure, the URL is always updated when you click an href with such an animation fragment. And this allows you to share basically immersive spatial movies at a certain time, again, by positioning the audience at a certain point. So right now you could say, like, but where's the position in this URL? Well, it isn't there. And this means normally if I click hrefs, the exact URL is copied to the browser bar. But if you If you also want to embed the position of this current moment into the URL, you can press XRF, and then you can press share. Also look at the QR code, it will change. Boom. Now you also, if you look at the URLs here, the position is also added to the URL. And now we can share this URL so other people can also enjoy the movie at this particular time. Let me quickly scan it for you. Here. You can see that the URL now pops up. I can go there and I end up exactly at the same place. I don't know if you can see it, but this is really cool. Like, I wish this would be possible with normal videos. Unfortunately, normal videos are 2D and you cannot jump into a video with your headset. It's gonna be 2D, and that's why this is cool. This is immersive 3D video, so to speak. All right, I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye.